everyone. This is the fourth and last lecture of rational number for class 7. In this lecture, we will discuss two topics. One, comparison of two rational numbers, and another is how to find out different rational numbers between two integers or two rational numbers. So first of all, we will discuss comparison of two rational numbers. Look, यदि हमारे पास में there is a pair of rational numbers, means we have two rational numbers, then the condition is out of one in this three cases. Number one rational number is negative and another rational number is positive. Number two, both rational numbers are negative, or number three, both rational numbers are positive. So suppose the pair of rational number is like the case 1, means where one rational number is negative and another rational number is positive. We know that in a number line, positive rational numbers are in right side of 0 and negative rational numbers are in left side of 0. We also know that कि 0 से जितना right side में कोई number होगा, that is bigger than the left side number. So because positive rational number is always be in the right side and negative rational number is always be in the left side, so minus 2 by 5 is less than 3 by 10 or 3 by 10 is greater than minus 2 by 5. So जब भी हमारे पास में ऐसा रेशनल नंबर का पेयर होगा जिसमें one rational number is positive rational number and second one rational number is negative rational number, then always be positive rational number is greater than negative rational number, or same sentence can be expressed as negative rational number is smaller than positive rational number. Now suppose both rational numbers are negative rational numbers. We know that in a number line, negative rational numbers are always be in the left side of 0. So suppose it is 0, it is minus 1 and it is minus 2. Now convert this zone between 0 to minus 1 into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this 0 to minus 1 zone is converted into 5 equal parts. Now 0 can be written as 0 upon 5. This point can be written as minus 1 upon 5. This point can be written as minus 2 upon 5. This point can be written as minus 3 upon 5. This point minus 4 upon 5, and this minus 1 can be written as minus 5 upon 5. So where is the point minus 2 by 5? Minus 2 by 5 is this point. Now convert this zone between 0 to minus 1 into 10 equal parts. So now this zone is converted into 10 equal parts. Now what is the rational number represented by these points? 0 by 10, minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 5 by 10, and last one is the minus 10 by 10. See, minus 2 by 5 means the point is this. Now on the scale of 10, this point is minus 4 by 10. Clear? It means minus 2 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 10 means these are equivalent rational numbers, first thing. And now see, where is minus 3 by 10? Minus 3 by 10 is in the right side of minus 4 by 10, means minus 2 by 5, because minus 4 by 10 and minus 2 by 5 both are equivalent rational numbers. Because minus 3 by 10 is in the right side of minus 4 by 10 or minus 2 by 5, it means minus 3 by 10 is greater than minus 2 upon 5 or minus 4 upon 10. We have seen minus 3 by 10 is greater than minus 4 by 10 or minus 2 by 5, because these both are equivalent rational numbers. So what is the procedure? Procedure is, if we have two rational numbers minus p upon q and minus n upon m, so convert these rational numbers into such equivalent rational number in which denominators of both rational numbers are same. For this purpose we use LCM. So after taking LCM, this rational number can be written as minus Pm upon Qm, and this rational number can be written as minus Nq upon Mq. Now, if numeric value of Pm, remember, we do not consider minus sign, we are saying numeric number. So if numeric number means value of Pm is greater than value of Nq, then minus Nq upon Mq is greater than minus Pm upon Qm, or if Pm is less than Nq, then minus Pm upon Qm is greater than minus Nq upon Mq. We consider third case where both rational numbers are positive rational numbers. We know that positive rational numbers are always be in the right side of the zero in the number line. So suppose this is the number line. First we convert this zone between 0 to 1 into 5 equal parts. Then 0 can be written as 0 upon 5, first point can be written as 1 upon 5, second point can be written as 2 upon 5, third point can be written as 3 upon 5, fourth point can be written as 4 upon 5, and last point can be written as 5 upon 5. So 2 by 5 lie at this point. Now we convert this zone between 0 to 1 into 10 equal parts. So some more points are required to convert this zone into 10 equal parts. Now 0 can be written as 0 by 10. Now first point can be written as 1 by 10. Second point can be written as 2 by 10. Third point can be written as 3 by 10. Fourth point can be written as 4 by 10, and so on and so on, and last point can be written as 10 upon 10. See, जब हमने इस 0 to 1 को के जोन को 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया था, देन द लोकेशन ऑफ 2 upon 5 इज दिस, एंड जब हमने इसको 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया हुआ है, एट दैट टाइम 2 upon 5 की लोकेशन इज 4 upon 10. इट मीन्स 2 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 10. Second thing, in this number system, 4 upon 10 is much more in the right side from 0 than 3 upon 10, or we can say that in comparison to 3 by 10, 4 by 10 is in the right side. It means 4 by 10, which is same as the rational number 2 by 5, is right side of 3 by 10. It means is greater than 3 by 10. So 2 by 5 or 4 by 10 is greater than 3 by 10. So now what is the procedure? If there are two positive rational numbers, P upon Q and N upon M, then how can you compare these two rational numbers? First, convert these rational numbers into such equivalent rational numbers in which denominators are same. For this purpose, use the concept of LCM. So, first rational number can be converted into equivalent rational number Pm upon Qm, and second rational number can be converted into equivalent rational number Nq upon Mq. Now both rational numbers have same denominator, so we can easily compare these two rational numbers. If Pm is greater than Nq, then Pm upon Qm is greater than Nq upon Mq. Or if Pm is less than Nq, then Pm upon Qm is less than Nq upon Mq. So by this procedure we can compare two positive rational numbers. Take a look on a concept. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा कि थर्ड केस में जब here we want to compare 2 by 5 rational number with 3 by 10, हमने देखा 4 by 10 means which is equal to 2 by 5 is greater than 3 by 10. और सेकंड केस में जहाँ पर हमारे पास में दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर्स थे, एट दैट केस वी हैव सीन दैट -4 by 10 is less than -3 by 10. Look at these two results. Numeric values are same, the difference is the sign. यदि नेगेटिव साइन है तो हम देख रहे हैं कंपैरिजन में कि कंपैरिजन का साइन जस्ट अपोजिट हो गया है. इट मीन्स कि यदि हमारे पास में कहीं पर दो नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर्स हैं -p/q एंड -n/m, सो यदि हम p/q एंड n/m को कंपेयर कर लेते हैं तो जो साइन आएगा, सपोज p/q इज ग्रेटर देन n/m, तो यदि हम नेगेटिव साइन यूज करेंगे देन दिस साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी इज चेंज. मीन्स इफ p/q इज ग्रेटर देन n/m, then -p/q is less than -n/m. What does it mean? इट मीन कि यदि नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर्स हैं हमारे पास में तो उन्हें हम पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करके कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। देन जब आप नेगेटिव साइन यूज करेंगे देन जो भी आपकी इनइक्वालिटी का साइन आया है वो साइन रिवर्स हो जाएगा। मीन्स यदि लेस देन आया है तो नेगेटिव साइन यूज करने के बाद इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन, और इफ़ द रिजल्ट इज ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव साइन यूज करने के बाद इट इज लेस देन। वी वांट टू डिस्कस different rational numbers between two integers or between two rational numbers. Take a look on this number line. It is 0, right side it is 1 and in the left side it is -1. Suppose we convert this 0 to 1 zone into 5 equal parts. Similarly 0 to -1 into 5 equal parts. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 1 zone, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now this 0 to 1 number line is converted into 5 equal parts. Write down these all points in terms of rational number. So 0 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 and 1 can be written as 5 upon 5. Now how many rational numbers are between 0 to 1 in this 0 to 1 number line? At this time we have 4 rational numbers between 0 to 1 in this number line. Similarly in the left side, if we convert this zone into 5 equal parts, then it is -1 upon 5, it is -2 upon 5, it is -3 upon 5, it is -4 upon 5 and it is -5 upon 5. Now we convert this zone 0 to 1 and 0 to -1 into 10 equal parts. So we put some more points in this number line so that we can convert this 0 to 1 zone into 10 equal parts. Now it is 0 by 10, first point 1 by 10, second point 2 by 10, third point 3 by 10, 4.4 by 10 and so on. This point 9 by 10 and last point is can be written as 10 upon 10. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 9. So we have 9 rational numbers between 0 to 1. Similarly, if we convert this zone into 10 equal parts, then we have -1 by 10, -2 by 10, -3 by 10 and so on, -9 by 10 and -10 upon 10. So again in this side we have also 9 rational numbers between 0 to -1. Now we want to convert this zone into 20 equal parts. Then with this symmetry we can say that we get 19 rational number between 0 to 1 and 19 rational number between 0 to -1. Now we want to convert this zone into 30 equal parts. Then we get 29 rational numbers between 0 to 1 and between 0 to -1. It means, what is the result? It means there are infinite rational numbers between two integers or two rational numbers. So there are infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers or between two integers. Ask me to find out different rational numbers between two rational numbers 2/5 and 3/4. So in the first step, find out the multiples of 5 and 4, means denominators of both rational numbers. So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and so on and so on. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, etc. What are the common multiples between these two numbers 5 and 4? 20, 40 and 60, and so on. There are so many common multiples of 5 and 4. Now, first of all, we convert these two rational numbers into such equivalent rational numbers in which denominator of both rational numbers are 20. For this purpose, multiply first rational number by 4. So it is 8/20, and second rational number multiplied by 5. So 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4 multiplied by 5. So it is 15/20. So 8/20 is the equivalent rational number of 2/5, and 15/20 is the equivalent rational number of 3/4. Now 9/20, 10/20, 11/20, 12/20, 13/20, and 14/20. These rational numbers lie between 8/20 and 15/20. And 8/20 and 15/20 are the equivalent rational numbers of 2/5 and 3/4. It means these rational numbers lie between rational number 2/5 and 3/4. Now we want to convert 2/5 and 3/4 into such equivalent rational numbers in which denominator of both rational numbers are 40, means next common multiple. For this purpose, multiplied by 8 in the first rational number, so it is 16/40, and multiply by 10 in the second rational number, so it is 30/40. Now 17/40, 18/40, 19/40 up to so on 29/40, these are the rational numbers which lie between 16/40 means 2/5 and 30/40 means 3/4. So यदि हमसे सपोज पूछा जाता कि फाइंड आउट 1 2 3 4 5 6 रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन 2/5 and 3/4, at that time we convert 2/5 and 3/4 into 8/20 and 15/20. सपोज क्वेश्चन में ऐसा होता कि हमसे पूछा जाता 10, 12 और 14 रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन दीज टू रेशनल नंबर, तो हम अपने डिनोमिनेटर को नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल पर ले जाते, जिससे कि हमारी रेंज बढ़ जाती और हमें और ज़्यादा रेशनल नंबर उसके बीच में मिलते. सपोज अब कोई पूछे हमसे कि 25 रेशनल नंबर्स बताओ इन बिटवीन दीज टू रेशनल नंबर, देन वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल 60. सो हमसे जितने भी रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन टू इंटीजर या बिटवीन टू रेशनल नंबर्स पूछे जाएं, तो कितने नंबर ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स हमें बीच में बताने हैं, वो डिपेंड करेगा कि हम उनके इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर इस तरीके से बनाएं जिससे कि जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो इतनी वाइड रेंज हो जिससे कि आपको जितने रेशनल नंबर्स पूछे गए हैं क्वेश्चन में, एग्जाम में, उतने रेशनल नंबर उनके बीच में लाई करें। कंप्लीटेड ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर फॉर क्लास 7 इन दीज 4 lectures. In the next lecture, we will discuss the numerical problems of NCERT book, means exercise 9.1 and 9.2. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel AP Classes. Thank you.